लेट्स गो टू द सराउंडिंग्स म्हणजे मायनिंग आणि मायनिंग तुम्ही मायनिंग बिझनेसा कडेन व्हेरी क्लोजली असोसिएटेड आसात, तुमकां वाठार खबर आसा, पण आमी कन्सिस्टंटली आनी प्रत्येक खेपेक मायनिंगाचो मुद्दो तयार जाता, पण आमी पळयलां की कन्सिस्टंटली तुमचो मायनिंग बेल्ट हो बीजेपीक मत मारता, बीजेपीचे आमदार निवडून दिता आनी मागीर तुमी आमकां सांगतात की एक मायनिंग प्रश्न आसा, येदो व्हडलो इश्यू आसा, पूण वोटींग पॅटर्न जर आमी कन्सिस्टंटली पळयलो, युअर वाठार हॅज स्टेड विथ द सेम पार्टी.
Yeah, I mean, mining is a very vast subject, and I think in this short program I'll not be able to
I'm
cover
not going
it.
on mining.
But
I'm going on mining vis-a-vis voting.
No, correct. If you go to see, I mean, this issue 2012 चालू झालो when Mr. late Manor Parrikar was there. First they came up with that 35,000 घोटाला they said. पण ते 35,000 कोटी खंय गेले आज मेरेन कोणाकूच खबर ना. So they created a narrative, and I think this BJP government has slow poisoned the industry. बारीक आज लोक विसरल्या, but I like to सगळ्या लोकांक याद करून दिवपाक सोदता that I think government has slow poisoned this industry. Whatever said and done, जवळ about 3-3.25 लाख लोक हाजे डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली डिपेंडंट आशिल्ले आनी तसो दुसरो ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह बिझनेस गव्हर्मेंटान आय मीन दे हॅव फेल्ड टू क्रिएट अ ऑल्टरनेट बिझनेस विच वॉज to substitute mining. And every election it happens. I mean, people fall prey, I can say. या इलेक्शनाक सुद्धा they said somewhere 1 month before election they said 3 महिन्यांनी चालू करता. Actually the 3 महिने सोपून I think we are in the 4th or 5th month, but still nothing is happened about mining. So when it comes to election they say we'll start mining, and when actually result happens and when they form government they say no, now it is subsidies, it is in court. So government I think is not clear about what they want to do or what they can do. I mean, during my campaign also I told that this whole mining issue in Goa is actually is a blunder by BJP, if you ask me. They might कितें आतां सांगू that NGO went to court and all, but I think it's a blunder done by BJP government. And yes, of course, you said Kursade being a main transit hub for mining, तशेंच surrounding is Savarde, Sange, for that matter Cape also, आणि most important is Sakli. I think see कितें जाता, लोकांक एक आशा जाता की खंय तरी सरकार प्रॉमिस दिता आनी त्यो प्रॉमिस म्हणल्यार ह्या फावट सुद्दां तांणी लोकांक लिटरली फटयले की 3 म्हयन्यांनी चालू करता. सो आय थिंक नाव दीस टायम पीपल हॅव रियलायज्ड, आणि दॅट इज द रिजन 67% went against them. People are fed up now. People know that BJP cannot start mining.